Hello, everyone. Welcome to our virtual cooking class. I'm Dylan from the Mason City Family YMCA, and I'm joined by...
Hi guys, I'm Molly and I work with Healthy Harvest of North Iowa and North Iowa Fresh.
And today we're going to be making some baked chicken nuggets. I'm using turkey as my protein and some gluten-free breadcrumbs, but there's other substitutes you can do as well. It'll be a lot of fun.
And you guys can find this recipe on our website. It's healthyharvestni.com/recipes. We also have over 100 other recipes that we've gathered there that focus on eating with the seasons and eating locally. And there's also links to different local ingredients to different farms and farmers where you can find those. So let's get started.
Totally.
Everyone make sure you preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And then just before we get our hands dirty, we're gonna spray our baking sheets with whatever sort of oil or butter or cooking spray that you're using. And then we're pretty much gonna put everything in one big bowl. So a lot of these ingredients you probably already have, but we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using vegetable oil. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of Italian herbs. And if you don't have Italian seasoning, you can really use any dried herbs here. It's always good to just use substitutions for whatever you have already. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. I don't have any garlic, so I'm onion salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. And then 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I don't know if I have quite 6 tablespoons, but I'm just gonna use everything I have. That's pretty close. And then last is 4 tablespoons of Parmesan. And then we're just gonna kind of mix that together with a fork or a whisk or a spoon. And so everything gets blended in there. And then we are just gonna set that aside while we work on the chicken. So to prep the chicken or turkey, we're just gonna take whatever you have, breast or tender, and cut it into like nugget size, bite-sized pieces. I would say about 1 inch by 1 inch or 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And then from there, you can just throw it right into our bowl. Might be easy or it might be hard depending on how sharp your knife is. But I would say these are all pretty decent size. Now that everything is chopped, I like using my hands for this just to get it all mixed in, but you can use a spoon or thing to get everything combined and get the chicken or turkey really coated. Okay, so while our hands are still dirty, you can really just throw them on the baking sheet. Try to give them a little space between every one. It helps them get a little bit crispier if they're not touching. But you can kind of just dump them on there and then spread it out. All right, I'm just gonna wash my hands and then we throw these in the oven for 8 minutes. Then we flip them. So my oven just preheated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. Okay, so now we basically flip all of the nuggets over, and I like using tongs for this, but you could probably use like a spatula or just a fork. All right, so then they just go back in for another 8 minutes and we'll check at that point if they are cooked enough. Now we pretty much just want to check that they're cooked all the way through. So you can cut open one of your biggest pieces for chicken and check that there's no pink on the inside. So mine are all white, so they're good. And for chicken or turkey, you can also use a meat thermometer and make sure that they are at 165 degrees.
That was baked chicken and / turkey nuggets. Let us know what you'd like to make next, what you'd want to see us do virtually, or in the future, what we'd want to do in person. Let us know what other things you want Molly and I to make. That'll be super fun to do with you guys. Cool.
Yeah, we're excited to hear what you guys have to say about this video and what else you want to see.
Totally. Cool. Molly, any last cleanup things we need to know about?
I don't think so. Just enjoy it.
Perfect.
Eat up.
Sweet. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys. Bye.